Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. Looking at GBPJPY, currently we can see that this instrument currently showing significant trading opportunity in the market. Now, before we discuss how we can trade GJ on the lower time frame, let's quickly look at the bigger picture, starting with the monthly chart to see overall direction in the market. Now, from the monthly, we can see that GBPJPY is long-term bullish market. We have seen with this monthly impulse, the market has created this huge move, followed by this month. So far, we have seen the prices come down for a deeper pullback. Now, with this pullback, so far we have seen again after this pullback, the market started to bounce back up on the monthly. If we take our Fibonacci for this impulse to the upside, we can see that from the monthly perspective, the price has broken this 38.2% Fibonacci level and has got started to bounce back up again. Now, with this Fibonacci pullback, we can expect now JJ, but I think that we might see again another retest of the monthly resistance level to create a new higher high. Now, if we look at the weekly chart, we see that there was a strong rejection past week. Now, this week, the market opened with a gap and the sellers couldn't get any opportunity to sell. Instead, we see the buyers has taken control. Anytime the price is dropping down, getting another rejection to the upside on GJ. What I think that we might see ultimately GJ going back up to the weekly resistance zone where there is a high liquidity. If we look at the daily chart to see a bit more clearer picture, we can see that there was a daily drop here followed by to this support level, and this is the daily doji here in that zone, which is a very high liquidity zone. And from the daily doji, from this support level, GJ has got a bounce towards the upside. Now, back to back 2 days, we see that there is a significant bullish move on GJ, expecting for the price now to keep pushing high. As we have seen early today, there was a breakdown on the lower time frame and immediately got rejected. It's a sign that GBPJPY keep pushing high to create a new higher high. So looking at further lower time frame from intraday, we can see that GBPJPY so far there was a breakdown here and has broken all this liquidity zone and forming a long week candle in that zone. So from the 15-minute perspective as well, there is a drop here, and this drop on GJ to this support level, and with this support break, what we can see on GJ for the price has broken below this level, and this is where there is a high liquidity breakout, and also this is a support, there is a high liquidity breakout. Currently we can see that after breaking this low, the market has broken out with a gap opening. At this point, what we could see that a bit of pullback to this support level. And if we look at the daily support also, we can see after breaking the daily low, the market has got a rejection towards the upside on GJ. 4-hour candle closed with a long week candle, which is a sign that GJ might moving up again as there is a strong liquidity trigger in this instrument. So lower time frame price action, if we see that GBPJPY has given us another entry opportunity in that zone after a pullback, we will be looking for going long opportunity on GBPJPY with a high probability trade setup. If you enjoy this analysis, trader, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.